Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of m divided by 2 times of m is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now in the first method, we move the term 2m from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes square root of m is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 times of m. And we obtain square root of m is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of m. And here in this method, we need to find all the roots of m or all the values of m. So for this we remove square root sign from left hand side, and when we remove this sign we apply squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. We have this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get m is equals to, this is 4m whole square. We apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square into m square. And in the next step, we have m is equals to, this is 4 square becomes 16, and m square becomes here m square. And now in the next step, we move the term m from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 16 times of m square minus m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve m, so that we will be take common m from here, and we get the remaining values are 16m minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 16m minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get 16m is equals to plus 1. And further, for the values of m, we divide both of the sides by 16, and it will be written as in this form. This and this are gone, and we get the values of m is equals to 1 divided by 16. So we get, this is the second root of the given equation, which we get here from first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these two roots be the solution, or is these two roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of m divided by 2m equals to 2. And in this side we will be verify m is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 1 over 16. So first we verify m is equals to 0, so that we substitute m is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 0 over 0 form equals to 2. So 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value m is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that m equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So in the same pattern, we need to verify the second value of m, and the second value of m is 1 over 16. So we substitute 1 over 16 into the left hand side, and it will becomes square root of 1 divided by 16 divided by 2 times of 1 divided by 16 is equals to 2 or not. This is the our claim. So we know that square root of 1 becomes 1, square root of 16 becomes 4, divided by, this is 2 times 8 becomes 16, and we get 1 divided by 8, and we check that is this equals to 2 or not. So in the next step, we have here, this is 1 divided by 4 is multiplied by, this is 1 over 8, we write it as 8 divided by 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and we have, this is 4 times 2 becomes 8, and we clearly get 2 is equals to 2. This shows that the value m is equals to 1 over 16 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is m is equals to 1 over 16. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of m divided by 2 times of m is equals to 2. So our second method will be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So first we rewrite this equation as this is square root of m divided by 2 times of m, and we write this m as square root of m multiplied by square root of m is equals to 2. So you see here this square root of m and this square root of m are gone, and we obtain 1 divided by 2 times of square root of m is equals to 2. And this implies that we move 2 times of square root of m to the right hand side, and we get 1 is equals to 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of square root of m. Further we have here, in order to remove this square root sign, we apply squaring on both of the sides, and we have this is 1 square becomes 1 equals to 4 square becomes 16, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here m only. And now we move 16 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get 1 over 16 is equals to m. So in the second method we again get the value of m is equals to 1 over 16, and in the first method we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is 1 over 16. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.